Welcome to OasiaCrafts. Today we're going to be making some earrings. So I'm going to show you how we put this together. You start off with a little pin here, and we're going to slide this, and then we're going to do 3 of beads. You always need some little pliers here. Sometimes you have to adjust it. Now these earrings are not going the same way. Okay, so we have these here, and now we're going to put these on. So what you'll have to do is to open it up. Sometimes you have to just wiggle it a little bit so you can see it's open. And this design was actually by my mother, who wanted this design. So these are going to be for her. So go over there. Now I'm going to put this one on. And so sometimes you have to kind of squeeze it like that. So now we have 2 pair of earrings, and these are some other ones that were made today. Using the same method. And then with these, all we did was just open up this here and then add a little piece there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy crafting.